Good morning.
Good morning.
So, what's your name?
My name is Sarfaraz.
Sarfaraz. So, Sarfaraz, today is Youth Day. So, I'm asking a question about regarding this Youth Day. How can youth promote unity in diversity?
Unity and diversity within a nation. Unity means coming together. As in youth, we should all come together and promote unity. And diversity means celebrating and respecting each other traditions, cultures, respecting religions. So we should keep. If we want to build a stronger and nation means we should respect each other cultures, we should respect each other traditions, and even we can make use of social media as well to promote all the positive messages for all the religions. We should celebrate all other festivals as well, and this cultures. Then there is one strength. There is one quote: "Unity in diversity is our strength." We can create a better and future secure nation for our future generations by giving this an example.
Okay, thank you, Sarfaraz.
Thank you.